So yeah, I've done a lot of homeschool teaching the last, oh, I can't even say how many decades. I've been doing homeschool classes with a large group in my area 2 days a week. And I did a lot of hands-on science. So the first time I taught it, it was after I'd read the whole book. I had an opportunity to introduce these ideas to a group of middle schoolers. I was doing a unit on earth science, and I decided to kind of test the water and see how they'd react to these hydroplate ideas. And I had to sneak up on it very carefully because I knew these ideas would be somewhat shocking to the parents,
Yeah.
not just the kids. But I found that the kids were
Oh
enthralled by
yeah.
the ideas.
Oh yeah.
They just loved it. It
Oh yeah.
was amazing. So and in one of those classes, um, maybe it was it was the first time through with it. So the map in the back, this is
Yeah.
one of these, you
Oh
can
yeah.
feel it, topographical.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
so I asked one of the kids, I didn't tell them anything about the Pacific yet. And I wanted to see what their ideas were. And I said, what does it look like? What do you guys think happened here? And they
Mm.
looked at it a little bit. And one kid said, it looks like somebody took a giant fist and just punched like that.
Oh,
And
sure.
I went, yes, yes, that's exactly what we think happened, except the punch came from below, not above. But
Yeah.
I thought that was really insightful for,
Oh
like,
yeah.
a fifth grader.
Oh yeah.
I was really excited about that. So then the next time I taught was for a high school group. I did a whole semester on it, and I had them try to read some of the chapters of the eighth edition. I printed some pages out for them so they could scrawl notes on them. We did a lot of discussing in class and explaining. And my takeaway from that class was that the kids loved learning it. They were excited. Was that the book itself was pretty hard to read for the average high schooler. Even though they're fascinated, it was difficult for them. The Brian Nickel videos would have been probably good to use back
Yeah.
then, but I don't think they existed when I did that
Sure.
class. I don't think Brian had done them yet. So anyways, but they really enjoyed it. And then a few years later,